Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Everything Tabby. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my yogurt parfait, and this is all I'm going to be using for this video. So I'm going to be using red apples, green apples, grapes, bananas. I'm going to be using unsweetened Greek yogurt. So we're going to get there. I'm going to sweeten it, but this is what I'm using. And I'm also using granola, and we're also using parfait cups. So I started off by cutting the apples, just chopping them into smaller pieces. If you want to see how I make my granola, the video is on my channel, you can check it out. So I'm just going to cut this apple into small pieces. So I'll cut the red apple, the green apple, the grapes, and the banana. So I'm just cutting all the fruits into small pieces. That's what you want to start with. That's what you do first. So cut all the fruits into small chunks. So this is unsweetened Greek yogurt. I had this left over in the fridge, so that's why I'm using it. I just added some sugar and a little bit of honey to it and give it a good mix. So I just put the yogurt, and then I put some granola, and then I put some fruits. So you're just layering it like that. Yogurt, granola, fruits, yogurt, granola, fruits, and you can also switch it up whatever way you want to do it, but I infused more of the granola into this parfait because that is my own personal preference. For those selling it, most people would not want granola a lot in their parfait. They would want a lot of the fruit in their parfait, but I want the granola. I made it for this purpose, so I wanted it a lot in the parfait. So you can do it, or you can layer it whichever way you want, but for beautification you can always end your parfait with fruits on top of it. So you can have the green apples, the red apples, just the colors, the bananas and everything on top of the parfait. So you can see it from the top and it looks really attractive and all of that. So you can actually layer it whichever way you want. What you're just using basically is your yogurt, your Greek yogurt, your fruits, different kind of fruits, whatever fruit can lay your hands on actually, pineapples or whatever. You put it in there, and your granola. So that is all you need to do your parfait. That is all you need. So just get your hands on yogurt, some fruits and granola. You can check out my videos on how to make granola and also how to make yogurt. Then you go get your fruit and you make this yourself. So this is how it's looking. I'm going to make more cups and then store it in the fridge. So I made 3 cups and this is how it is. My parfait is ready. So that is the end of this video, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you're going to make yours now actually. So please like this video and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.